Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickUp approvals for document workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your ClickUp workspace. Navigate to the sidebar on the left. Click on the workspace option. Select settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings menu, locate the ClickUp section. Scroll down until you find approvals. Click the toggle button to enable approvals. Return to your workspace view. Open the document you want to set up for approvals. In the document, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select the team members you want to involve in the approval process. Once selected, click on Send for approval. Customize your message if needed and click Send. The selected team member, they can review the document directly from the notification. Once they've reviewed, they can click Approve or request changes. You will receive an update once the team members have taken action. Check the status of the approvals in the document view. You can also see a summary of all approvals on the dashboard. Adjust any workflow settings as necessary for future documents. Your ClickUp approvals for document workflows are now fully set up. Enjoy a more organized and efficient approval process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.